as a global top-selling model. Tesla Model 3 has been in the intelligent electric vehicle market for many years. Now, facing the rapid rise of new force models, can a new version keep this model competitive in the market? Human-vehicle relationship lab used IDD interaction during driving test cases to test its interaction level. The test includes searching for destinations, viewing navigation guidance information, searching for songs, switching songs, midway point search, adjusting the temperature, adjusting air conditioner airflow direction, and 11 other tasks. Passenger conversation in the car. Consider central screen, pop-ups, and other interaction distractions. Let's take a look at how the new Tesla Model 3 performs. After evaluation, we found 3 major advantages of the new Model 3. First, although it only has one central display without an instrument screen or HUD, it has pushed the richness of information and layout rationality of this screen to the extreme. The home page includes real-time environment rendering, media information, navigation information, and multiple customized shortcut functions. This allows the Model 3 to handle multitask scenarios well, greatly improving touch interaction efficiency. This is why many rival products copy its screen layout. For the side rear view popping up when using turn signals, navigation info on the screen can also move dynamically to ensure it is not blocked. Second, the system operation of the Tesla Model 3 is very smooth. Many parts of the system have smooth transition animations. For example, when the navigation plans a trip, from destination and route confirmation to navigation start, Model 3 uses a single-take animation, looking closer, and can play smoothly at a frame rate of around 48, enhancing the user's perception of system performance. Third, the touch interaction flexibility of the Model 3 is excellent. Almost all icons on the screen can be clicked effectively. Call up the corresponding interactive content. For example, clicking the light icon pops up the light settings interface. Clicking the clock pops up the calendar window and starts navigation directly. Clicking the road speed limit icon adjusts the autopilot target speed to the road speed limit, further deepening the user's impression of its powerful system functions. Compared to the touch screen, the voice system of the Tesla Model 3 is a major shortcoming. Compared to before, its voice understanding capability is better. It still cannot support continuous dialogue, nor does it have the AI large models that many Chinese cars already support AI.
I don't understand.
Resulting in users being unable to use voice interaction for complex tasks, limiting the user's interaction methods. Additionally, as the number of functions increases, the primary menu becomes increasingly lengthy, increasing the difficulty to find target icons. Users need to spend more gaze time and gaze points on the screen to complete interaction tasks, increasing driving distraction. For example, when looking for the safety primary menu item, users need as many as 14 gaze points, and their gaze may leave the road for more than 3 seconds. Third, the localization level of Model 3's navigation function is still insufficient. For example, it does not offer restaurant tourists on the map or restrooms in the map. Users have to manually enter to complete the search, reducing interaction efficiency. Finally, let's look at the results of the new Tesla Model 3. While completing all 11 IDD tasks via the central screen, its task completion rate is 98.18%, requiring 33 steps, taking 115.73 seconds, requiring the gaze to leave the road for 61.13 seconds. Lane departure SD is 0.143 m. Compared to the ATO tested before, Model 3's touchscreen is close to it. It even has a slight lead in some indicators. Even though Model 3 is already 8 years old, it still possesses competitiveness. While in the process of the same tasks via voice, Tesla Model 3's task completion rate is 73.08%. These tasks require 35 steps, taking 103.93 seconds, requiring the eyes to leave the road for 30.96 seconds beforehand. The lane departure SD is 0.135 meters. Lower task completion is mainly because waypoint tasks can't be done by voice. Compared with the ATO tested previously, Model 3's voice interaction is indeed somewhat subpar. Besides the large gap in usefulness compared to the ATO M9, the voice interaction must be activated with steering wheel buttons, and it does not support continuous dialogue, leading to reduced efficiency. Tesla's next OTI update is set to further improve voice interaction. Our laboratory will continue to pay attention to see how much it can improve.